Today, I invite you to a delicious pasta with bacon and broccoli. Here's a list of the necessary ingredients, which you can also find in the description below the video, where I've also added a link to the blog with all my recipes. First, fry the diced bacon in a dry pan and wait until it starts to brown slightly. Then add the light part of the leek or a small onion cut into cubes and fry everything. I added about 1/3 cup of pasta cooking water and 300 grams of cooked pasta. Just mix it all together and finally add 2 more tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. You can use another yellow cheese if you want and add salt and pepper to taste and you're done. Delicious and easy to prepare. You can find the recipe on the blog. I invite you to watch my next